What's up, Earthlings? It's Triz. Thanks for joining the Earth channel as we share with you the latest news around the world. Today is March 23rd, and we can see that Bitcoin is standing at a little over 42,000 US dollars. Ethereum closely approaching that 3 grand price point. Gold is sitting at about a grand behind Ethereum. Silver is right below $25. The S&P is at 4,470, and the Nasdaq is just under 14 grand. In today's update, we'll be diving into Thailand's ban of crypto, a Pennsylvania-based mining company's eco plans, and today's maintenance on the International Space Station. Before we get into these topics, let me explain what the Earth Project is. Earth is a global DAO and a hybrid-backed fixed-supply digital asset designed to serve as a unified global means of exchange. The Earth DAO is the expansive community that drives the motion of Earth, and the digital asset takes the form of a modern currency, decentralized in nature. To learn more, create a free account at earth.io and receive an incentive. Without further ado, welcome to Earth. The Southeast Asian country of Thailand has banned the use of crypto for payments and has proposed a new direction demanding that crypto businesses share service quality and IT usage information with the Thai SEC. The Bank of Thailand and the Thai SEC concluded that crypto may affect the stability of the financial system and overall economic system, including risk to people and businesses. They refer to risks as loss of value, cyber theft, money laundering, and personal data leakage. It's clear that crypto is revolutionizing the way the world operates economically, among other numerous ways, and this new way of life will continue to be analyzed critically as the world collectively gains understanding of the space. Hopefully, the people of Thailand will be able to migrate toward using their resource in their daily lifestyle. Now, in the US, a crypto mining company in Pennsylvania called Stronghold Digital Mining is converting coal waste into usable energy to power Bitcoin miners. Pennsylvania is the third largest producer of coal in the US, with about 40% of their coal production resulting in coal refuse or waste. Being able to impact the environment by harnessing and utilizing reusable energy is an incredible opportunity, and the Stronghold Digital Mining firm is making that happen. Lastly, in space news, today marked the 248th spacewalk in support of the International Space Station assembly, maintenance, and upgrades. Astronauts Raj Achari of NASA and Matthias Maurer of the European Space Agency began their spacewalk this morning to perform wiring, hose installations, and plenty other maintenance tasks on the systems. Let's take a quick look at today's live stream. This expedition was the third spacewalk this year and the fourth spacewalk for Expedition 66, the second spacewalk for Raj Achari, and the first for Matthias Maurer. What an incredible era we live in to have the means of viewing a spacewalk like this in real time from our home planet. Anyways, that's all for today. Thank you for joining Earth for your daily global news. Be sure to like and subscribe to support our channel, hit that notification bell to stay updated on our content, and head over to earth.io to create a free account and receive an incentive. Stay well and safe, everyone. I'll see you next time.
There's an inverse relationship between understanding Bitcoin and willingness to spend it. As a person's understanding of Bitcoin grows, their willingness to spend it declines. After all, who wants to spend Bitcoin on a pizza when Bitcoin is expected to continue increasing in value over time? It's simply better to hold on to your Bitcoin and crypto assets and spend your fiat money instead. This is friction for crypto adoption at the payments layer, and this friction will cause larger problems over time if we don't address them now. Welcome to Earth. Earth is a hybrid-backed fixed-supply digital asset designed to function at the payments layer. Similar to the gold standard of years past, where paper money was backed by gold, Earth is backed by Bitcoin, Ethereum, and ownership of the planet. Earth asset backing grows as Earth is released to market, as DAO real estate and crypto holdings generate yield, and as NFT royalties are captured through tokenized fractional real estate sales. With blue-chip crypto assets and real estate functioning as backing for Earth, these stores of value can serve as the foundation for medium of exchange, but not the medium of exchange itself. Earth, backed by these assets, reduces friction at the payments layer and provides a clear path for crypto adoption in everyday use. And the payments layer is just the beginning. Learn more about Earth, including government onboarding, the Earth DAO, a path toward decentralized global governance, universal basic income, and how Earth will function to improve the human condition and build a stronger planet. Thanks for watching. Be sure to watch the other videos in our educational series.